For these points to pass through this parabola, I should be able to plug in these numbers and the equation must hold. So plugging in for the x and the y, I get minus 4 is equal to a times minus 4 squared plus k. So that's just minus 4 is equal to 16a plus k. Plugging in for the 2, I get this. And I'm left with 2 is equal to 4a plus k. Taking this equation, moving it here, I have a system of linear equations, and subtracting this gets rid of one of the variables. Okay, so solving for this, I get minus 6 is equal to 16a minus 4, so that's 12a. So dividing both sides by 12, I get that a must be then minus 1/2. Okay, so let's plug this into the second point, our second equation here. Then I get 2 is equal to 4 times minus 1/2 plus k. This is 2 is equal to, right? 2 goes into 4 twice, so I'm left with minus 2 plus k. Add 2 to both sides, and k must be 4. So our equation is y is equal to minus 1/2 x squared plus 4.